decimal to any radix conversion. So decimal is of base 10 to binary conversion or octal conversion or hexadecimal conversion we will see in detail. So let us see first decimal of base 10 converting to binary. Decimal converting to octal. Decimal, hexadecimal decimal converting to hexadecimal. So how to convert this decimal to binary, decimal to octal, hexadecimal, decimal to hexadecimal? So for this we need to follow two steps. In the example, if we take integer plus fraction part, let us take an example 37.25 of decimal number. 37 is the integer part and 25 is the fraction part. So for this, the step 1 is divide the integer part with base to which form it is to be converted. Divide with base to which form it is to be converted. That is, if decimal is to be converted to binary means divide with base 2 . If decimal value is to be converted to octal means divide with 8. If decimal is to be converted into hexadecimal means divide with 16. In this way, integer part is accomplished to its equivalent form. To fraction part. Fraction part is to be converted to its equivalent binary or octal or hexadecimal form. For that, fraction part is to be multiplied with the corresponding base. So in this way, fraction part is also converted. So let us take an example of previous one, 37.25. It is to be converted to binary, say. So 0.25 is to be multiplied with 2. So result is 0.5. So before the decimal point 0 is there. So take it as carry and multiply again after the decimal value 0.5 is there. So multiply 0.5 with 2, you will get 1.0. So before decimal point 1 is there. So 1 is the carry. So after that there is no value to multiply. So stop here. So first obtained one is MSB and the last obtained carry is LSB. So 0, 1. So this is the equivalent binary representation of the fraction part. Similarly, for octal you need to multiply this fractional part with 8. So you will get result and carry. So that is 0.25 into 8 is 2.0. Result carry is before decimal point 2. So there is no further part to divide. So this is the octal equivalent for the fractional part. Same in the case of hexadecimal. Multiply the fraction part with 16 and you will get the hexadecimal equivalent of the fraction. With an example, we are converting into binary. The example is previous one, 37.25. First step 1, integer part is accomplished by dividing with base 2. The first obtained remainder is LSB and the last one is MSB. So take down from MSB to LSB. So this is the binary equivalent of the decimal value 37. Step 2, fraction part is to be converted to its equivalent binary. So multiply the fraction part 0.25 with the binary value 2. So you will get result as 0.5. So take down the carry before the decimal point, that is 0.5. 0 is the carry. Multiply 0.5 with 2, 1.0. 1 is the carry. Stop multiplying. There is no other value to multiply. The first obtained one is MSB and LSB. This is the binary equivalent of the decimal value, which consists of integer plus fraction part 37.25. Its binary equivalent is 100,101.01. Let us take an example of decimal to octal conversion with fractional part. So in step 1, divide the integer part with 8, and in step 2, multiply the fraction with 8. So dividing the integer with 8. On dividing 162 with 8, we get the remainders. Note down. So first obtained remainder is LSB and last one is MSB, 242. This is the octal equivalent of the decimal value 162. Now we need to convert the fractional part into octal equivalent. So multiply the fraction with 8. So on doing multiplication, we get 1.00. So 1 is the carry. There is no fraction part to multiply. This is the octal equivalent of the decimal value 162.125. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now we will see how a decimal is converted to hexadecimal with an example by taking fraction part also. Example is 178.25 is to be converted to hexadecimal. In step 1, divide the integer part with 16. So integer part is 178. So divide this 178 by 16. On dividing 178 with 16, we get remainder. The first obtained remainder is LSB and the last one is MSB. Note down, this 11 is B and 2. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent of the decimal value. And step 2, fraction part is to be converted. So multiply the fraction with 16. So I am doing it 4.00. Before the decimal point 4 and after the decimal point no value is there to multiply. Stop it. So this is the result. This is the hexadecimal equivalent of the decimal value 178.25. So decimal to any radix conversion is done in 2 steps. Step 1 is dividing the integer part and obtaining the result. Step 2, multiplying. Hope you understood.